Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to use Mockingbird's dynamic responses. We will create an API that returns different user details based on the user ID. Let's set up a simple mock API in Mockingbird. First, I'll create the server. Next, I'll add a parent, and then a child root. After that, I'll add a response and select the response type as function. I will name the response dynamic response, and then I will copy the logic to the response code editor. I created a list of users objects. Each object contains user ID and user data, and I created the logic to find user by the ID that sent on the query in the request. You can also write logs in the code to debug your logic, and you will see it under server's log. Under server's logs, you will see all the console logs you printed in the code categorized by the server. This is extremely helpful when building dynamic responses. Let's clear the logs and test the response. You can see that we get the response user not found when the ID is empty. And when I set the ID to 102, I get the details of Bob. And that's it. We've created a dynamic mock API. Feel free to try this out yourself. See you in the next video.